Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Purple color, orange color, sky blue color, violet color, light green color, blue color, red color, lavender color, plum color, yellow color, gray color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now recall colors. Gray color M, orange color N, purple color O, sky blue color P, violet color Q, lavender color R, plum color S, blue color T, red color U, yellow color V, light green color W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.